What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am back here again at this addition job. Well, it's turning into pretty much a full house at this point, but today we are finishing up a bunch of the demo in here. We have the bathroom pretty much completely demoed. So, in the bathroom, this wall is all closed off. A little staircase here just to get up and down easier, and I'm about to run to this concrete place to pick up some concrete to pour this slab here. So we have it all formed, ready to go. We're just drop that down on the blocks there, and hopefully I can back the trailer that I'm getting right here and we can dump right there. So I've never seen these before, but this company up here has these trailers for 1 yard or 2 yards of concrete for small orders, because it's hard to get a delivery for that little amount of concrete. A lot of places don't want to do that or won't do that. So these guys have these trailers that they fill up with 1 yard or 2 yards depending on what you need, and you pick it up, come here, dump it, return it, and call it a day. So I'm gonna go do that. I've never seen these before. Let me know down below once you see what I'm getting, if you guys have seen them before or if they have them in your area. But this is new to me, so let me go grab that. I only need to get a 1 yarder because that is a small little pour, but let me go grab that and get back here and get this poured. All right, guys, so I just got here with the trailer, and I think what we're gonna do, since we don't have the jack to lift it up, I think we're gonna disconnect it, grab it with our forklift, lift it up and drop it on blocks, and then put this hitch plate on the front of our tool cat and grab it like that, and that way I can just drive it back there and we'll dump it right where we need to, instead of trying to back it up with this van. All right guys, so I got this trailer connected back to the van. That worked out really well. I wish there was a place down by us. Come on. What the hell? Oh, it's a little dirty in there. That's okay. But I wish there was a place down by us that did this. So anytime we had a small pour, we would be able to just grab one of these rather than try to get a concrete truck from a delivery with a little extra on it or something, or mix it by hand with bags. So a lot of the time when we do small pours, we have to hand mix it because concrete companies don't want to send a truck with a yard or so on it, and understandably. But when you can just get a yard, it makes it a lot easier. So I'm gonna go return this now, and I think that's gonna button up this video because all we're doing here is finishing a little bit of the rot and the sheathing around the house and whatnot, and minor stuff. But this is really a majority of what today's video will be. So no reason to record anymore. You guys have seen plenty of this. Tomorrow, if we're back here, I'll probably make another video. But either way, if you guys have any questions, comments, definitely leave them down below and I will get back to you soon. And if you have these in your area, let me know where you're from and if you enjoy them or not, because for us this worked really well. But either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.